You know, most blues players, they spend years playing the same 12-bar blues progression over and over. And while there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, it sounds great and it can be a lot of fun, sometimes you might want to give your blues playing a slightly more jazzy flavor without feeling like you suddenly have to learn bebop. And that's exactly what this video is about. So in Jazz Up Your Blues, we're going to take a standard 12-bar blues and one step at a time make small changes that create a richer and more sophisticated sound, a more jazzy sound. And we're starting with one of the easiest and most useful changes that you can make. So in a standard blues in A, bar 9 is normally an E7 chord, followed by a D7 chord in bar 10. And today we're going to replace those two bars with Bm7 in bar 9 and E7 in bar 10. And just changing those two chords gives the progression a completely different character, while still sounding perfectly at home in the blues. And why does it work? Well, Bm7 and E7 form what's called the 2-5 progression. And the 2-5 progression is probably the most common chord progression in jazz. And by adding it here, we create a strong sense of movement that naturally resolves back to the A7 when the form starts over again after 12 bars. It's a small change, but immediately it makes your blues sound more colorful, more sophisticated, and more jazzy. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we start with this A7. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bar 5, 2, 3, 4, bar 6, 7, 8, and this is how you normally play it. Right, so this time I'm going to play slightly different. We're going to play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, bar 6, bar 7, bar 8, and bar 9, bar 10, 11. Right. Okay, so what did I just do there? Well, let's check it out. So I came from here, and instead of going up to E7 or E9 here, I came up to Bm7 here. And this is a good way to play it. I played it like this, barring those 4 strings with my 3rd finger, but if you find it tricky and muting the A string, then you can just play it like this. Or you can play it like this, not playing the A string at all. Just skipping the A string, and then up to E7. And if I'm going to play a solo line over this, I might play something like that, spelling out the chords as best I can. So and then a bit jazzier than your normal 12-bar blues, right? So start by simply playing this new chord progression until it feels completely natural. So once you're comfortable with that, playing rhythm, we'll move on to comping ideas and improvisation over these new chords in the upcoming lessons. So until next time, have fun with the guitar and don't forget to keep those strings ringing now, okay?